Are you tired of wasting your money with cheap tire dressing that just attract dust and looks blotchy? Well, in this video, I'm gonna present to you the top 6 tire dressing that last, and even better, we're gonna compare them to each other so you can find who is the best of the best, la crème de la crème. And by the end of the video, you'll know the pros and cons of each tire dressing, and you'll know which product is the right for you. What's up, my name is Frank. I've been detailing cars for over a decade now. This channel is all about real-world authentic detailing. Okay, my friends, in this video, we're gonna have a super nice test. I'll present each product to you. We'll talk scent, we'll talk pricing, we'll talk durability. I have a super nice test that we're gonna do outside by the pool. I have a water test, a towel test. We'll look at the tire upon application, we'll look at the tire after a few hours, and we'll even look at the tire after a short drive so you guys can make the right decision when it comes to tire dressing. Okay, for today's test, we're gonna go outside shortly, guys. I have 3 tires laying on the floor, already cleaned up. We're gonna apply 6 tire dressing, so 2 tire dressing per tire with a control section in the middle so you guys can judge the results by yourself. But first, let me give you a quick breakdown of the products. So CARPRO Darkside at 500 ml is $27. The scent is a sweet flower, something similar to that. Next up, we have Armor Detail Supply Tire Plus, which is a bubble gum scent with a yellow color. Really nice packaging, as you can see. Comes with a quality sprayer. Very nice scent. So for the best scent of today's product, that's gonna be CARPRO Darkside and Armor Detail Supply Tire Plus. Next up, we have DIY Detail Tire Lotion, which is a water-based tire dressing. A really nice, well-balanced, sweet, and I'd say nuts fragrance. Very good scent. You also get a Talco sprayer, which is a quality sprayer in the industry, and DIY is $23, which is the best value here. Next up, we have CARPRO Perl at $24, which has some kind of banana scent. So if you don't know CARPRO Perl by now, you're probably living under a rock. If you dilute CARPRO Perl at 1:1, that's gonna be the best value of the 6 tire dressing here. But CARPRO Perl, in my opinion, should be used straight. But for today's test, it's gonna be 1:1. Next up, we have the Bola Solution T47 Tire Essence. Comes with a pump as well. It's a solvent-based dressing, just like CARPRO Darkside. Looks very similar in terms of consistency. It's marketed as a matte tire dressing. Okay, lastly, we have the Gyeon Tire Express, which used to come in a 400 ml bottle, but now they have moved away from that. So if you're going to reach out for the Tire Express now, it's a 500 ml and you're gonna pay in the realms of $29 for this. This is ready to use. And keep in mind the packaging has changed as well as the bottle size. Okay guys, so as far as the applicator, I really like to use a brush. Any brush would work as long as you can reach all around the tire. And then I really like to use as well a foam pad. Those are pretty good for the thick gel. And then I would stay away from the microfiber applicator for the tire dressing. Those are okay, but not for tires. And I will also stay away from that type of brush. Those are not that comfortable. And when it comes to go at the lower portion of the tire, where your tire meets the ground, it's gonna be very hard. Okay, so that type of foam is also good. Very comfy, very easy to use. But when it comes to the lower portion, again, where the tire meets the ground, it's going to be difficult to have an even application. This is why I like to use the hand brush. But those, if you press hard, you'll be able to get most of the tire. I'm going to apply Armor Tire Plus right here. Just a thin layer. By the way, guys, I'll be in the comment section later on, so do make sure to let me know in the comment section what is your current favorite tire dressing. So let's get back into the video. So we have Darkside Armor DIY here. And don't forget, most tire dressing after a short drive will dry even more, and that may change the gloss, so the gloss might be reduced after a short drive, so keep that in mind. Gonna do a fair application for a fair test. Not over apply, just the same amount for each product. Make sure we have product in every nooks and crannies. Tire Express from Gyeon. So Gyeon Tire Express, which is a water-based dressing. If you read the instruction carefully, they say to apply it when the tire is dry, the tire is wet. I always use it when the tire is dry. Gives a little more sheen. Now we're gonna apply the Bola solution. Tire Essence T47. Gonna use the clean side of this sponge. Try to not fall down in the pool, right? So guys, don't forget, after application, give it some time to dry. Don't go ahead and drive right away. You might get some sling. CARPRO Perl. So the sun is coming up. I'll remove the tape. See what kind of difference you get, what kind of 50-50 you get. So just refer to the bottle in front to know which product is which. So CARPRO Perl looking pretty dry compared to the control section. So that's CARPRO Perl at 1:1. Then the Bola solution here. Pretty rich but not too glossy. Darkside. Tire Plus, yeah, from Armor. And then DIY, looks pretty sharp. And then Gyeon. Okay, so ready. Check the water repellency. So Gyeon is beating nice. DIY is beating pretty good too. Armor is beating good. By the way guys, every products and tools used in this video will be linked down in the description for you. You can use my code DOGMA to save some money. And let's get back into the video. Bola solution, really nice beating, pretty round. And finally CARPRO Perl. So Gyeon is the one that has the most problem drying. So CARPRO cleaned up pretty well. So now I'm just gonna wipe off a little bit the extra remaining of water, flipping my towel as I do this. See if they have some type of resistance to the wipe off. Okay, so who maintain his finish the best after the water test? So I'd say CARPRO is going to be last. As you can see, it's still there, but it looks pretty dry to me. Almost too matte, but this is diluted 1:1. Next, I'd say that Armor is struggling a little bit in some area. Okay, after the water test, the towel test, in my opinion, the Bola looks better with Darkside and with DIY. So those are the three that maintain the look the best after the water test. Okay guys, so let's take a minute to look at each tire dressing after they are dry on different tires, so you can make the best decision when it comes to the look. Enjoy! Okay guys, so we have the same tire, we have different applicator, we have the same condition on the application, so it's still pretty hard to judge the look, but I'd say if you're looking for the darkest tire dressing, I would go with the Tire Plus. In my opinion, that's the one who looked the darkest. And then in terms of saturation and gloss, we also have Gyeon Tire Express and DIY tire dressing. Those are the three products I would go with if you're looking for a little bit more shine, not too shiny, but a good look and a very well saturated tire. And then in terms of a balance between matte and some gloss, those are the most balanced products. So CARPRO Darkside and Bola Solution Tire Essence, those are the two that go above and beyond, not too glossy and a good shine. Now the 6 tire dressing that we have on this channel today are all fantastic tire shine. So make sure to let me know which one do you prefer according to this video or according to your experience. Now you might want to know what is the best soap in the game right here, and you might want to know what is the best spray sealant right there. And with that being said guys, I'll see you in the next one.